Okay, I want to control the character or player using keyboards up, down, left, right arrow, as well as I want to control it using kind of joystick on the screen. So you can do that. The one way to do that is actually add a canvas. So go to UI, canvas, and then add image in the canvas. Select the image source. So I'm going to select the circle, to image and select the red color. Okay, let's see the position of this image and on the canvas. So currently it's at the center. So I want to move it to bottom right, and the constraint, select the constraint. So so we had changed the virtual camera settings while the application was running. That's why the changes were not saved. So let's do that again. So this is approximately y is 11 and z is say minus 12. Okay, so stop the play. Go to virtual camera, 11 and minus 12. So I changed the color of the player again. I think it was too dark. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to use this image to control movement. I mean, in addition to controlling it using keyboard. So we want this image to, or this control to work as a stick control. So we can do that by adding, yeah, by adding on-screen stick. And the control path, this is going to work as joystick stick. So now if you run this, you can see it can move up, down, left, right.